How to add a contact on Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram app and wondering on how to add a contact on it, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now to add a contact, tap onto contacts right here. Then here you can find plus option at the top. Now select it. Now add the mobile phone number of that person that you want to add. Just like this, and add their name. Just like this, then tap on to create. Now your contact has been created. And that's it. This is how you can add a contact on the Telegram. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.